Infamous Joel here, and in this video I want to ask you a serious question because I had this kind of weighing on my mind for a little while. Is an affiliate marketer actually an entrepreneur? If you think about it, it's a much deeper question and I think a lot of people give it credit for and a lot of people put time and effort into. I want to get into that in this video. But first, before that, give me your opinion down below. Comment down below and tell me your opinion on that. Is an affiliate marketer, someone who's doing affiliate marketing or starting affiliate marketing, are they considered an entrepreneur? Do you think that that's the same thing as an entrepreneur? Really think about that and give me your detailed answers down below. Let's have a whole discussion. I don't want to just be the only one that talks about this. I want to have a full open discussion here on YouTube and we'll talk about whether or not it should be considered an entrepreneur. And in this video, I'm going to give you my opinion on this. So before I get into my opinion on this, if it's your first time on this channel, I give a lot of free information and free training on affiliate marketing here on this channel. So if you're into affiliate marketing, making money online, starting your own business online, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm the infamous Joel and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this because I want to talk about what is the difference in entrepreneur and an affiliate marketer. There's obviously dictionary definitions to these things, but I've been around in this space for a long time. I've been doing online business in different niches, doing different things for a long time, predominantly as an affiliate marketer, and now owning my own company in the affiliate franchise where I do mentorship in there and do all kinds of stuff. So it gives me a lot of pause thinking about this because there's a lot of different, if you ask different people what an affiliate marketer is, what an entrepreneur is an affiliate marketer an entrepreneur, you get a lot of different answers. I'm only going to give you mine right now. An affiliate marketer, the structure of an affiliate marketer, I think that an entrepreneur, inherently there's a lot of risk as an entrepreneur. When I think of entrepreneur, I think of somebody with a grandiose brand new idea. They bring it to a marketplace, they test it, they see if it works, and if they've invested a lot of money into this idea, right, they're thinking like, oh my god, I've a new app or something that they poured a lot of time and energy and effort into, not just planning but investing in, and they're putting all their hopes and dreams into this idea. To me, that's what an entrepreneur kind of is, if that makes sense. It's like, that's how an entrepreneur starts, at least. To me, when I hear the word entrepreneur, I hear a risk taker, like a serious risk taker. Like they're trying something so brand new, just so out of left field, that it's like, you know, like it's almost terrifying. Okay, it's kind of like me when I came up with the affiliate franchise. There was a lot of testing behind that. There was years and years and years of seeing what worked and what didn't work, not only for me as an affiliate marketer myself, but some of the friends that I had made along the line, some of the people that I was coaching for free, the people that I was trying to help along the way, people on this YouTube channel. There was a lot of feedback that went into the process of creating and building and growing and scaling the affiliate franchise and that model. Okay, it was brand new at the time, which it launched almost a year ago at the time of this recording. And in just a year, we've done $500,000 already, and we continue to grow and scale and expand, and people are seeing crazy results from it. But it was risky, right? Like, I think as an affiliate marketer, when I first started off back in 2019 and I was only an affiliate selling other people's programs, courses, things like that, not as much risk because you're selling somebody else's proven product. In theory, it's already selling, right? It already makes sense. It's already something that people are looking for and buying on a daily basis, something that people already need. So as an affiliate marketer, it was a lot easier for me coming from prison, not having a whole lot of tech skills, not knowing anything about marketing and stuff like that. It was a hell of a lot easier for me to jump into that world and pick things up as I went along and tried to learn it little by little and work with selling products and services that were already in demand. To me, an entrepreneur is somebody who is working off hoping that there's gonna be demand for their product or service. When I launched the franchise, I was hoping there was demand for it. I had a pretty good idea, but that's not the same thing as like proven it's definitely gonna work because people are actually physically buying this every single day. So I think that's the major difference between an affiliate marketer and an entrepreneur, but there's a lot of crossover in every other place. The number one crossover between both is the mindset. An entrepreneur needs to think like an entrepreneur, and an affiliate marketer needs to think like an entrepreneur, meaning that they need to be willing to invest in themselves. Now there's the risk right there, because I spent at least $50,000, maybe more. I don't know. I have to look at all my receipts on courses, coaching programs, training, team building, VAs, all this stuff. As an affiliate marketer, anyone out there is like, how to start affiliate marketing for free and stuff. In theory, you kind of could get started for free, but to grow and actually scale and turn it into a real business, you will need to invest at some point, you know, and it's nowhere near as easy as the gurus say it is. This is one of the reasons that I hate the gurus' course angles. Like when they sell courses, they always give it like a fancy name and say, you know, the passive income blueprint escape plan 5,000 or whatever. You know, it's marketing. It's not their fault. They're just following the rules of the game. They have to make it sound super enticing, and it's marketing, right? And even if the course is step by step and shows you everything you need to know, there's always more you need to know. There's always more, because in affiliate marketing or in entrepreneurship, you have to wear so many hats in your business. You have to wear so many hats. You have to learn copywriting. You have to learn email marketing. You have to learn social media marketing if this is what you're going to do. If you're going to do ads, you better learn paid ads. You better learn sales funnels. You better learn follow-up. You better learn sales. You better learn storytelling. You better, good Lord. You know, there's so many things you have to learn. And I've never, in all the times that I've bought courses and all the thousands and thousands of dollars I spent on courses, I've never found a definitive course that covers every single thing you'll ever need to know about affiliate marketing. There's just no such thing, which is why I built the affiliate franchise, is because it's a pre-made, already done for you business. Instead of you having to learn all of these steps on your own and go through the typical course route, we gave you a business we already made and gave you that shortcut. But that being said, that's one of the things that there has to be a lot of crossover between an affiliate marketer and an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur starts off creating the product and taking a ton of risk. An affiliate marketer has the product already in place and there's not much risk there, but the mindset needs to be the same. They need to look at the world and have the perception of an entrepreneur, meaning you're not dependent on a boss. No one's going to tell you what to do. No one's going to give you a set structure and rules and order and all this stuff throughout your day. I quit my job back in 2019 and I went full-time affiliate marketing, and I was making 5, maybe 10K sometimes in the good months, all the way up to 10K, then 15K, and I started scaling up from there. But what the hardest thing was for me in the beginning was not having structure. The very first thing you should do when you start making money as an affiliate marketer is just get used to making your own money. Because that, I know for a lot of people, it's very different than going to a job. It's the hardest thing to get used to, because when I woke up in the morning, I had no structure. I had nowhere I had to be. I had no clock that I had to punch in. I had no set, to-do list. Because you don't have that boss and you don't have that routine and that structure in place, it was very easy for me to just get lazy and just, do whatever. But what I've learned over time and what helped me scale was focus and to have my own to-do list. So as you start growing as an affiliate marketer, you have to get the mindset of an entrepreneur and as a business owner, because you have to start taking your affiliate marketing business seriously as a business. Even though you're selling other people's stuff and you're kind of working within this framework, you still have to start treating it as a business in order to grow it to any serious income level. You can make some sales as a regular everyday affiliate marketer. You can do it as a side gig, all that stuff. You can get lucky and, broken clock strikes twice a day, that kind of thing. But to really grow it as a business, you have to start looking at it as a serious business. And by that, you have to have a to-do list. You have to have a routine. You have to have pieces and numbers and math and all this stuff in place, and knowing every single day what parts of your business you have to work on. Do you have to hire help? Do you have to get other people? Systemize the whole thing. If you don't learn to systemize the whole thing and treat it as a real business, it will start to shrink very, very quickly. It will start to just like, oh crap, now I have to go back to get another 9 to 5 and go back to work, and none of it really was worth anything. I've seen people do that. I've seen people have huge months as an affiliate marketer and they quit their job, and sooner or later they go right back to their job. Why? Because they never got a routine down and they never started treating their affiliate marketing business as a real business. They just saw it as like, make a few sales, make some commissions, go for these big wins, and then go back and relax. You cannot relax. You have to systemize this whole thing, turn it into an assembly line, turn it into a real business. Part of the reason that I do YouTube here is because it helps me turn the affiliate side of things into a real business. Down below this video in the description, full disclaimer, a lot of those are affiliate links besides the affiliate franchise. That's my own program. But I have affiliate links down in the descriptions of a lot of these videos. Those are my affiliate links that keep me sustained, right? It keeps the business, the affiliate side of the business and the commissions coming in sustained. That way, if I do choose to take a week off because I got COVID or something else happened, then my business is living on its own. I took the time and the effort to build the business as an actual business, right? A lot of affiliate marketers, they find some technique or tactic that works in the short term, and then they never think long term of how to actually sustain this income. That way, you have to think like an entrepreneur in the sense that you should invest in yourself, your education, your mentorships, your all that stuff. You have to stay ahead of the curve. I'm always learning what's the new thing out there, what's going on in the industry, what everybody's doing. I'm buying other people's courses. I'm buying my competitors' stuff. You know, thumbs up to my competitors. I gave you money just so I could learn, you know, what you're doing so I could do it better. But, you know, and that's just something you do in business. And for the most part, people are okay with that. I have people buy into the affiliate franchise just to see what I have, and now we have some copycats out there. You know, there's some people out there actually like claiming they're a business in a box and they're a franchise model too and all that stuff. The point is, an affiliate marketer is not the exact same as an entrepreneur, but there is a point, to me, this is my opinion, when they do converge, and an affiliate marketer is an entrepreneur now. You can get started as an affiliate marketer having the same mindset that you do in your 9-to-5, but eventually that mindset and the way you live your life and the way you structure your daily routines starts to change, and you start to turn into an entrepreneur if you want it to be a true sustainable long-term business. Okay, and that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you watch the other videos on this channel. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.